In today's episode, we'll dive into the recent major resurgence taking place across artificial intelligence and machine learning-focused crypto assets. Buckle up, because there are some very exciting developments to cover. Over just the past week, the total market capitalization of all AI and ML tokens has spiked over 8.5% to reach $10.5 billion, according to CoinGecko data. This growth surge has been largely fueled by building enthusiasm around OpenAI and the viral launch of their new text-to-video generator called Sora. In case you missed it, Sora has ignited the public's imagination about AI's expanding capabilities. It works by converting input text into eerily realistic video narrations. After OpenAI unveiled it last week, people across the internet began feeding Sora all sorts of written content to see the AI bring it to life on video. From fireside chats to cartoon narrations, Sora's demos dazzled with production quality and accuracy you'd expect from a human presenter. Of course, some also used it to create controversial deepfakes, highlighting the need to carefully govern these generative models. Nonetheless, this glimpse into our AI-powered future sparked renewed public interest in the space. It also sent investors scrambling to buy assets related to companies focused on developing artificial intelligence tech. In the crypto markets, this frenzy centered around tokens powering protocols and platforms directly connected to AI capabilities. Let's discuss some of the major gainers. Ocean token. Ocean protocols rallied nearly 44% over the last 7 days. For context, Ocean provides developers a decentralized marketplace to access, monetize, and exchange AI training data assets and services. As Sora demonstrated, state-of-the-art AI needs massive datasets to learn from, requiring robust data pipelines. As more groups build advanced generative models, Ocean could play a pivotal role in both supplying quality data and enabling owners to control access rights. Fetch.ai offers a great complementary platform to Ocean. It utilizes AI agents and blockchain to enable automated, tokenized economic activity between Internet of Things devices. This creates an infrastructure layer for powering smart cities and the Web 3.0 machine economy. Fetch's native FET token has similarly jumped over 37% in the past week, as investors anticipate soaring demand for securely networking AI across the physical world. Another top gainer has been SingularityNet's AGIX token, the main utility asset powering decentralized AI services on blockchain. Coming off the Sora hype, AGIX gained a whopping 80% plus in 7 days to establish a new all-time high price over $0.055. As AI adoption spreads, both individuals and companies will need safe access points for easily integrating these models across their tech stacks and applications. By democratizing AI, SingularityNet has an opportunity to become the industry's de facto decentralized AI store, similar to how Apple and Google centralize apps on their stores today. And the largest AI crypto asset by market cap, Bittensour's Tau, extended its powerful 2023 uptrend as well. Tau enables the sharing of remote GPU computing resources between nodes to facilitate decentralized machine learning. This past week, it hit an all-time high around 70 cents following 14% returns. But the hype wave didn't stop with the largest leading projects. Retail excitement spilled over to catalyze parabolic rallies in smaller developers working on AI-connected models as well. One example is Worldcoin, which, despite having no direct relation to AI tech itself, still managed to ride OpenAI's coattails to noteworthy gains. Worldcoin, headed by former Y Combinator lead Sam Altman, also the CEO of OpenAI, aims to be a new global digital currency powered by iris scans. It posted an insane 177% price explosion this past week off its perceived connection. So across various vectors like computing, data access, smart infrastructure, and more, cryptocurrencies enabling artificial intelligence capabilities have clearly seized inflows and investor imagination over the past 7 days. Looking ahead, Grandview Research has forecasted the total global AI market rapidly expanding over 40% annually to exceed a staggering $700 billion market value by 2030. So while this past week's hype may settle back down, the long-term drivers still seem intact. As corporate and government initiatives continue pushing AI model development, demand for supporting technologies like data management, privacy protections, and supercomputing power should rocket over the next decade. Because barriers to entry for AI research remain so immense, any project helping democratize access could attract tremendous value. That creates a powerful investing thesis for crypto economies like Ocean, Fetch, and SingularityNet long-term. Additionally, the crypto asset class has repeatedly demonstrated a tendency towards irrational market bubbles forming across the hottest emerging sectors. So between surging underlying AI industry growth, democratized access from decentralized networks, and propensity for speculative cryptomanias, further upside, while likely volatile, seems reasonable to expect for AI tokens in 2023 and even multi-year time horizons. Of course, after such blistering runs, the probability of sharp corrections back down also rises. No tree grows to the sky indefinitely. So, while I can't recommend buying AI cryptos solely to speculate, consider strategically utilizing any major dips to accumulate quality projects with strong technical and fundamental outlooks. Now let's dive deeper into analyzing the critical price levels for 5 major AI crypto assets to assess whether the current growth dynamics seem sustainable or exhaustion could strike soon. Starting with the largest by market capitalization, Sora and its TAO token. We just covered how TAO managed to rally 14% over the past week to hit another all-time high around 70 cents, near where it peaked last November as well, before correcting 50%. Zooming into its daily chart, 68 cents appears to be TAO's first line of support to watch. As long as prices hold comfortably above that threshold, continuation upwards remains well in reach. However, if TAO were break back below 68 cents decisively, its buying momentum could swiftly fizzle out, opening the door to retesting swing lows around 50 cents from last summer. So 68 cents marks the pivotal make-or-break level for Sora to keep trending upwards or risk downturn. Next up, SingularityNet's AGIX token. As covered earlier, AGIX just rallied a monumental 80% over the past week to hit $0.055, blasting straight through its previous 2022 highs. Given how rapid this parabolic move has been, an equally aggressive sell-off would not surprise at all. Key support levels to monitor come in around $0.052 and $0.047 on the way down, with the 200-day moving average presenting the ultimate floor around $0.042 should bear dynamics take over. However, if $0.052 manages to decisively hold up even amidst consolidation, that would signal strong confirmation of a sustainable upside breakout in play. Still, holders should prepare for AGIX's known tendency towards intense volatility spikes both up and down. Shifting focus to Ocean Protocol and its native Ocean crypto. Ocean bounced off its 200-day moving average support this past week to reverse upwards 44% back over 40 cents resistance. That level also roughly aligns with its 2021 peak prices. To validate this bounce as a true trend reversal rather than dead cat, Ocean bulls need to see a daily candle close above $0.415 to confirm the breakout. In that scenario, next resistance comes around the psychological 50 cents area. On further pullbacks, the 200-day moving average near $0.365 again serves as critical support. Below there, we get to stronger floors at 34 cents and 31 cents. As long as Ocean holds above those foundational levels, medium-term accumulation remains warranted. Analyzing the smaller cap Worldcoin crypto next. As discussed earlier, despite having no direct linkage to AI development itself, the perceived connection to OpenAI catalyst, Worldcoin's WLD token to gain an astonishing 177% over just the past week, from under $2.50 to briefly above $7 at the peak. However, parabolic vertical spikes of this magnitude rarely sustain for long. Hype waves eventually recede back to reality, and Worldcoin's chart history shows similar extreme pumps, followed by 80 to 90% price crashes on multiple occasions before. So expect an aggressive sell-off here at some point unless consistent project-specific news flows fuel buying pressure. Early support levels come in around $5.80 and $4.90. But without perpetual hype, Worldcoin remains vulnerable to shedding 50 to 75% easily, implying a retest down towards $2. Finally, fetch.ai's FET token. While FET pumped massively this past week as well in sympathy with the AI hype themes, it's only back up to roughly where it traded in late January, around 36 cents. So fortunately, not clearly overextended yet based on charts. Initial support rests around 34 cents and then stronger at the 200-day moving average nearing 31 cents. As long as FET holds up above those levels, its rally can continue refreshing. And moves back down to that 31 cents area should constitute healthy pullbacks allowing momentum to rebuild. So in summary, across the major AI cryptos tracked here, while prices have seen impressive momentum, only Worldcoin appears severely overbought, expecting an imminent crash. The rest remain bullish while holding within key support zones. Just remember, crypto volatility cuts both ways, so protect positions against whipsaws by ladder limit orders across a range of prices. I hope you found today's analysis helpful as you look for profitable new stock opportunities. This was InvestMinder. Remember, knowledge equals profit in the stock market. Thanks so much for watching, and please hit that thumbs up button if you got value from this video. Make sure you click to subscribe as well to get our next videos when we reveal the best new insider stock purchases. Invest wisely, trade carefully, and we'll see you next time. Disclaimer: InvestMinder is an independent stock market commentary channel for entertainment and basic informational purposes only. We are not licensed financial professionals and do not provide personalized investing or financial advice. P.S. If you stayed watching until here, you are awesome. Thank you for enabling me to keep making these videos with all the likes and subscribes. Have a great day, and we love you all.